Ever wonder what that office chaos is really costing you? It's way more than you think.
So many businesses are still running on paper, WhatsApp, and Excel sheets. Sound familiar?
Yeah, behind that shiny ERP, it's all paper logs and messy spreadsheets. That's operational chaos. And this isn't just about being messy. Nope, it's actually incredibly expensive.
How expensive? Well, you could be spending up to 3 times more on these inefficiencies alone. We call this office chaos. It's not just stationary, it's a massive productivity killer. Okay, so there's a way to bridge this gap, and it's called the SFDP platform.
Now, this isn't just another piece of software. It's actually a transition tool for your team. See, it doesn't replace your people, it empowers them, and it works with your current systems. It brings visitor management, security, logistics, basically everything, onto one unified platform.
Take visitor management. QR codes replace messy paper logs, and hosts get instant alerts. Easy.
You can turn any manual log into a digital record. Think vehicle logs, kitchen checklists, anything. And here's the best part, this platform basically pays for itself. The ROI is immediate.
Just look at this. We're talking a huge reduction in effort for your admin and security staff.
This means faster audits and total compliance. Everything is tracked and everything has proof. And this isn't some new idea. The platform has already created over 1.7 million digital records. Plus, it's tracked over 376,000 visitors. So yeah, it can definitely handle the scale.
The cool thing is, you only pay for what you need. So the platform grows right with you.
Basically, it's time to stop managing by treasure hunt. No more digging through stacks of paper. So the real question is, what could this kind of total visibility unlock for your business?